Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to this channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet out this beautiful souvenir simply using one single crochet and chain one. It's simple, but actually it's so gorgeous, mainly if we put different decorated yarns to tie it up like this. Well, I think this pattern is so easy to create. It just needs multiplication up to and is suitable for all crochet level, including the beginners. Okay, now let's start. To make this pattern, I simply use polyester thread with a 2.50mm crochet hook from top. Firstly, make a slip knot, then 18 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I will add 2 more chains. These are 16 chain, 17, 18. Then I will directly make the main pattern. 1 single crochet in the second stitch from the hook, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, repeat again, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch again, 1 single crochet in the next 1 stitch. Okay, 1 chain, skip 1 stitch, 1 single crochet and 1 chains. Okay, this one is the first chains after slip knot, 1 single crochet here, make 1 chains and another single crochet on this stitch in the same stitch, 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1 chains, then make 1 single crochet on the other side. The position of the single crochet is same with the previous single crochet, 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 single crochet on this stitch, chain 1, 1 single crochet in this stitch, chain up 1 or 1 chain, 1 single crochet in this stitch, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, repeat again, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 chain. The next stitch is the last one, 1 single crochet and 1 chain. Okay, this is the first round of main pattern. It looks like this. I will end this first rounds by making a slip stitch on the first single crochet over this. Then 1 more chains as I turn it up, followed by 1 single crochet in 1 chain space, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next 1 chain space actually. Repeat again, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the next space. Okay, every space is filled with 1 single crochet. 1 single crochet here, 1 chain. Sometimes not easy to find the chain 1 space. Here it is, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, find the next space, here you go, 1 single crochet, 1 chain. Okay, the next space, 1 single crochet, 1 chain, 1 single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, one chain, keep going, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, one chain, okay, one single crochet again, one chain again, find the next space, one single crochet, one chain. This is the last one chain space for this second round. One chain. So there is no slip stitch here. I will make spiral pattern. To make the spiral pattern, just need to find the nearest space to make last single crochet of the round 2. Then move to round 3, make one single crochet followed by one chains. This is one single crochet. This is one chain or chain 1. Then one single crochet in the next space. This pattern is made spirally, so keep making one single crochet in the next one space, chain 1, one single crochet in the next one space, and chain up 1. Keep going, one chain, one single crochet in the next one space, one chain, one single crochet in the next one space. Don't forget to make chain 1 and find the next one space to make another single crochet. Find it out. This one is one chain space, make one single crochet here, one chain, one single crochet in the next one space, one chain, one single crochet in the next one space, one chain, again, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, and you just need to repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the high you desire. One chain, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet in the next one space, one chain. It's very easy, right? You just need to remember one chain, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet in this next one space, one chain, one single crochet again, one chain again, one single crochet, one chain, one single crochet again, one chain, okay, one single crochet. Okay everyone, this is what it looks like. You just need to repeat this pattern over and over again until you get the high you desire. I got the high that I desire, and this is what it looks like. I will end this last round. This would be my last round. One chain, one single crochet, one chain, okay, now one single crochet. The next one is one slip stitch followed by one chain. Then I will cut the yarn off. This souvenir is almost ready. Then I will pull out this yarn tail and hide it inside the pattern. You can use the pastry needle or smaller crochet hook. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so gorgeous, small but gorgeous. To make it more interesting, to make it more amazing, or to make it more cute, you just need to start it out with another yarns. Better you use the yarn that have a contrast shade with the main pattern like this. So you just need to start it up like this. It's not easy for me to tie this in front of the camera while filming the tutorial. Finally it's done. Well, this is what it finally looks. It's so amazing. Well everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like this pattern. See you again on the next video. Have a good day and happy crochet.